Okay, there's Jenny.
Can you see me?
Not really. Here's our fire in my yard.
Look at our fire that we made.
Yeah, I can see you better with you.
So hot. And I'm adding a marshmallow.
Yeah, we're making s'mores.
Oh yeah. Soon this will be a s'more. Just have to make sure my marshmallow won't go on fire.
Oh, this is terrific.
I know, this is awesome. I still can't believe we made a fire in Sarah's yard.
I know, with no fire, but like this is seriously the garage.
Yeah, we just made it out in the grass.
With random sticks in the woods.
Yeah.
And paper.
Yeah, that's about it.
We're awesome.
I'm trying not to burn my marshmallow like last time. Snap, it's getting a little fire.
Come on, Granny.
I'm almost there.
My hand.
I did. We ate marshmallows.
Oh my god. That's funny.
My marshmallow. It's in the fire.
Oh, jeez. You're really bad at those.
Yeah, our fire's going down a little. We need a reinforcement. We need the reinforcements.
Come on, make a s'more already.
I'm doing it! Woman, I just sat on a stick.
Okay, all done.